again, or NASA will run into problems at some point keeping the International Space Station supplied.
Samsung Electronics is recalling millions of its new high-end smartphones because they've been, well, exploding on users. The Galaxy Note 7 came out just 2 weeks ago, but already dozens of consumers have reported their smartphones catching fire, prompting the company to recall 2.5 million devices. When asked about the recall, Ko Dong-jin, the head of the South Korean company's smartphone business, said, quote, "I can't comment on exactly how much the cost will be, but it pains my heart that it will be such a big number."